human eye is extraordinary, adaptive, super-sensing, self-repairing, and no two eyes are exactly alike. That's the challenge and the beauty of specialty contact lenses. At Art Optical, every lens we make is custom built for one eye, one patient, one story. Because when a doctor calls us with a complex case, a one-size-fits-all lens won't cut it. Complex is where we thrive. We innovate alongside our practitioners by focusing solely on custom lenses. Lenses that are as adaptive, precise, and responsive as the eyes they're made for. We are not a corporate-owned company. We're fiercely independent. That means we're agile, responsive, and customer-centered. Our consultants don't just know lenses, they know eyes. And they bring that deep knowledge to every call, helping to make fitting custom lenses smoother, faster, and more successful for you. From pediatrics to presbyopes and beyond. From the initial call to the final lens inspection, together, we meet the most demanding challenges patients present. You'll see the difference in our service, in our quick turnaround time, in your patient's results. See the difference with Art Optical. Connect with us today.